Bro, how to sing a Sigma boy in the correct 90 degrees? This is very easy only.
Yo guys, today I'm going to teach you how to sing one new trending song in Instagram called Sigma Boy, and I will teach you how to sing the Sigma Boy song in the correct 90 degrees. You become Sigma male for singing this. So guys, if you want to sing a song, first of all you need the mouth, because without the mouth you cannot sing a song. So first you need the mouth to sing in the correct 90 degrees. Okay? Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Na 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 ni no ni 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 no na 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 ni. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Na na ni no ni na 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 na. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Atra mundra kitra mandra na na no ni na. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Sinrama na 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 no no ni ni na. Oi, Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Na 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 ni no ni na na ni 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 na. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Astrama dundraga mandra mundraya.